Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make this poncho. The beauty of this poncho is that this stitch is made most commonly with needles, but today I will show you how you can make it with your hook. This is the chest stitch and it's one of the prettiest. I think that this garment and the stitch is also perfect for this coming winter and for these holidays. I hope that you will make it, and remember that here I will give you all my secrets and tips, but before I want to invite all of you to subscribe. It's free. Let's start. Well, for this poncho we are going to need 500 grams of this material that is a medium weight yarn. In this case I will use it in shades of gray with pink and a little bit of purple. We are going to use also 100 grams of a light material in pink, and I will use the hook of number 5 or 5.5 millimeters, and it will be an uni size. So we will start making with one thread and with your hook a long strip of chains. This strip of chains must go all around your shoulders, okay? So it must cover all of that. Once you finish and once you have the chains that you need, you are going to make two chains and we are going to count three, and in the fourth we are going to make the first double crochet. We are going to make one double crochet in each stitch. It's very important that we crochet a little bit loose, okay? Don't tie too much and relax and enjoy your project. Like this the whole row. In my case, as a base chains, I made 120 chains. So you must have the same number of double crochet. So please count that you have the same number. We will go up with 3 chains and we are going to make 3 double crochet in relief, but right away we are going to place the hook in the back like this, and we will go up making the double crochet. Again, yarn over, we are going to take the next stitch the same in relief, placing the hook in the back and going up making the double crochet, and again place the hook in the back and make the double crochet. So here we have 3, placing the hook in the back, and then we are going to make 3 double crochet, placing the hook in front. You see right away, so you yarn over, insert your hook, and then you go up making the double crochet again. So as you could see here, we are making segments of 3 double crochet and we are going to alternate. Once we are going to take the next 3 placing the hook in the back, and then the next 3 double crochet you are going to place the hook in front. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, at the end of the row I completely finished the segment of 3, so it's perfectly okay. We are going to turn around, we will go up with 3 chains and we are going to continue as it goes. If we took the last segment of 3 placing the hook in the back, well, we are going to place the hook in the back and the next row placing the hook in the front. So like this is how we are going to keep taking the segments the same. As you could see, I can tell that here I took the stitch from the back because the pleats are in front. Could you tell? So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to finish the 3 segments and the row. So we are going to make a double crochet here at the end for the edge. It's very important, okay? So now, as you could see, we have 1, 2, and 3 rows. Three rows will be one series. And well, we are going to continue repeating this series until we get the length of the poncho that we want. So we will go up with 2 chains, and now here we are about to start with the second series, right? So we are going to alternate. So for the first row of the series, we are going to alternate, okay? So if the segments were taken with the hook in front, well, this time we are going to take it with the hook in the back, and the opposite. If they were taken with the hook in the back, well, this time we are going to take it with the hook in front. So and we are going to continue like this. We are going to alternate in the first row of the second series, and well, for the coming rows we are going to continue like it goes, like we made in the first um, series. Okay, and remember that each series has 3 rows. I don't know if I made myself clear, but I hope I did. So I will continue making this row with you so you can see exactly how it is. And well, we are going to continue like this, making more series until we get the length of the poncho that we want. In this case, and according to my design, I'm going to continue from the shoulders until a little bit under the waist, or well, if you want, you can continue making more rows and series, but remember that you will need more material. But we'll see you when we arrive there. I calculate more or less 7 series. So here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 series. So far for me it's perfect from the shoulder and a little bit under the waist. And now I will give you the centimeters so you can see and take a reference more or less. So I have 20 centimeters of long and wide. Let's see, 110 centimeters. And well, and I think that the size is perfect for any size because it adjusts to your body, so it will be perfect even for a small size. But well, as you could see here, we have these tiles. You see, so these are the domino tiles, and we have one like in relief, and then one under relief. These tiles are made with 3 rows. Okay, so we are going to reduce these tiles to make the neck. Okay, and I will show you how we are going to reduce these tiles and how it will be. And well, the technique that I will show you, I love it because you won't tell that you are reducing. So the secret and what we are going to do is that instead of making these tiles of 3 double crochet, we are going to make these tiles of 2 double crochet. Okay, so we will go here with 2 chains, we will turn over, and we are going to following the same instructions, and after each series we are going to alternate. So we are going to eat two tiles in placing the hook in front. We will go up making a double crochet, and the last one we are just going to take one with us, you see, and like this is how we reduce from 3, we transform it into 2, and we are going to make the same with the next segment. We are going to take 2 together, placing the hook in the back and going up with a double crochet, and the next one we are going to take it single. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, reducing the number of segments. Instead of 3, 2. Well, I did continue. Look how beautiful it looks. I made 3 series, and as you could see, it made a natural, we made just the tiles of 2, and it made a natural reduction. So you can barely tell. So this will be part of the neck. So the part of the bottom is wider than the top. And well, now I will show you how we are going to make the sports neck, and this is according to the design and to the idea that I want. But if you want, you can just leave it like this and just make some extra rows to decorate. But well, I will show you how we are going to make this sports neck that I love. It will give a different detail and it will look so beautiful too. And then at the end, with a different color, the neck that I will tell you, I will make it with this same yarn. But then in the last rows, I will make them with the light material in pink. But well, that part I will show you later, okay? So now let's start making the sports neck. Well, for the neck, we are going to continue the same. We will go up with 2 chains, and in the first row only of this coming series, we are going to alternate. Also, we are going to, if we place the hook in front in the last row, we are going to place it in the back, and also the opposite, and we are going to keep making the tails with 2 segments only. Only this time it's that we are going to continue the same. We won't alternate in the coming rows or in the coming series the stitches, okay? Only in this row is where we are going to alternate, but then in the coming approximately 10 rows, we are going to keep taking the stitches in front or in the back according how the stitch goes, okay? Remember that in the rest of the poncho, well, after 3 rows we finish one series and then the next series we change, but this time we won't, okay? Only in the first row we will change, but in the next rows we will continue the same. We won't alternate after the 3 rows or so. We are going to continue it taking the stitches the same, and as I told you, approximately I will make 10 rows, and I had to change the number of my hook. For a smaller number, I was using the hook of number 5.5 millimeters, and now I'm using the hook of number 5. And well, you know what? Now that I'm realizing, I think that the neck I will make it with a double crochet out of 3 crochet, okay? And this part of the neck I want to be like a little bit tighter, so that's why I changed the number of my hook for a smaller number. Okay, I want that it looks different. So yes, I think it looks so much better, the double crochet out of 3 crochet. So you take 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so like this the whole row for 10 rows more. Well, after some rows, exactly I made 10 rows more. I finished the neck. I think it's perfect. As you could see, as I told you, we continue for more rows following the same path, and this is the neck. So far I think it looks so pretty. Just here at the end I will make a row of single crochet just to reduce a little bit, because here at the edge I felt that it's a little bit loose, so I want to give it more structure. So I will make a single crochet row, skipping some spaces, and I will stop right here before we arrive to the neck, okay? And then I will do the same in the other side too. Well, once we finish to do this, I'm going to make the edge in this color. As you could see, this is a light material, so I will use 2 threads so it can has a similar weight. But well, as you could see, I will use pink to make a combination with this poncho, but also you can use gray or purple or so, or even you can continue with the same material. But well, I wanted to make it different, and this final rows I wanted to make it in a different color, so that's why I will use this pink. That it doesn't matter that it has a different weight, because I can make it using 2 threads, and well, it's also a way for you to use all the material that you have left and gathered from previous videos, and by using it in something. So well, I will finish to make this row of single crochet, and then I will show you how we are going to make the last rows with the pink that I chose. Well, as you could see, I finished to make the row of single crochet, and I stopped right before the neck. And well, if you want, here you can finish it and just put a bottom or a brush. Even you can put 2 bottoms, and it's perfect for a girl. I think it's beautiful too. It's a great idea. Also, if you want, you can close here in the middle to calculate and to put sleeves there to close a little bit, or even you can put a ribbon so you can close that part, so you can have this poncho with sleeves. But well, this is up to you. This is an idea. Now I will show you how you can make with these 2 threads a stitch for the edge, and with this we finish. This is how I will decorate it, and as I told you, I'm going to use this material in 2 threads so we can have a similar weight of the yarn that we were using. So it will be like this. So we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains we will turn over, and in the same place we are going to make 2 double crochet together. As you could see, we are making this double crochet out of 3 crochet, all of them in the same place. And well, we are going to calculate the spaces and a single crochet, and here we have our first shell. And like this is how we are going to continue all around. You will decide if only you want to put it in the bottom or in the sides or also around the neck. But well, I will continue and I will show you at the end what I decided to do. Well, so look, at the end I made this edge in the sides and in the bottom too, and also all around the neck. I love how it looks, and well, here I put 8 chains and I insert the hook, and then 8 chains, and I insert the hook right there in the same place, so I can have these loops for the bottom. And well, I put the bottoms right there, and I think it looks so pretty too. Also, you can make some cords, or you can put a brush, or you can leave it open or put bottoms, and like this is how you can decorate it. We are going to leave it like this. In this case, we won't iron this poncho. This poncho it's ready to wear. It doesn't need that you iron it. Just hide all the threads that you may have, and that will be it. Well, now let's see how it looks. Well, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope that you will enjoy making it with me. I love this idea. It is so easy, and well, you can make it for your kids, for yourself, or for a gift. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more ideas. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free, and also to share this video if you like it. Stay tuned for more, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.